Please, please, please stop whatever you are doing. What if I told you the best hair growth secret is one thing that makes you cry in your kitchen? Forget the expensive bottles. I used plain onion water and it stopped my hair loss completely, filling in my worst bald spots. It sounds crazy, I know, and I know it also smells, but I found a trick that instantly kills the odor. This is the truth that the beauty industry hides from you. Watch now and see my shocking 2-week result.